Now, as you can see on my screen, right, I have just had 47 sales in the last 2 days with ClickBank affiliate marketing. And in the previous month, I have had $42,000 in sales and 491 sales, right, with around 11 refunds, which is totally normal. It's only 1% from 42,200 US dollars. Now, if I click over here, you can see, right, I'm really an affiliate. So if I click, you can see 0 sales over here because I'm not vendor, I'm not offer owner. I'm just super affiliate promoting ClickBank products. You can see over here, right? So these kind of results you can achieve in 2026 as a beginner. Okay, I'm talking about $200 to $300 a day easily. Okay, once you have someone who can show exactly step by step along the way how to put it into action and how to use Google pay-per-click ads to get results. Because in 2026, it's all about buyers' clicks, okay, buyers' traffic. So you have to target buyers, not just curiosity clickers. Curiosity clickers are the ones who are wasting your money and time. Okay, you need only the buyers clicks. You can have these kind of results, as you can see here, right, on my screen for ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2026. Now, I'm not making any videos or showing my face on camera to promote or sell ClickBank products. No, I'm using Google pay-per-click ads, sometimes even TikTok ads to get these kind of results. Okay, and if you're a beginner watching this video, if you want to have these kind of results in 2026, if you're an action taker, not excuse maker and procrastinator, you can let me know. There's my Instagram, Facebook Messenger, my personal WhatsApp number and email in the description below. You can reach out to me one-on-one and you can get step-by-step results as a beginner and finally copy and paste and install this method for yourself to have daily affiliate results.